Meaning of grit.
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 Grit. Grit refers to the perseverance and passion required to achieve long-term goals, especially in the face of challenges and setbacks. It is closely related to traits such as resilience, determination, and tenacity. People with grit are able to maintain their focus and motivation even when faced with adversity, and are willing to put in the effort needed to succeed. Research has shown that grit is a strong predictor of success in various domains, including academics, sports, and business. Ultimately, grit represents a willingness to endure short-term pain for the sake of long-term gain.